stayed at Rinko Shogaki. Ano ba yan? Excellent hotel. Maganda siya.
An
Affordable.
Airbnb.
Uy, maganda ang dagat dito.
Yeah, ganda ang beach nito. So, mangroves ko. And then pine trees. Nakita mo yung difference ng climate.
So we're going Chatan, another resort area. Famous for scuba diving daw siya.
Yep. It's the American Village.
American Village. Go straight.
This is wide. What is this?
Difference mag-toll kami, tsaka walang toll is 7 minutes. So makakabayad sa toll more than 5 minutes. We'll be using no toll na rin. Okay, red. Okay. Medyo mas center to dito kaysa doon sa gistehan natin. No?
Of course. Ito ang city center nito eh.
No,
Up north kasi our
Ana
own.
Intercon.
Yeah, it's also here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I found a faster route which saves 7 minutes, but it has a toll of JP.
Nope. What did you do?
No thanks, sabi ko.
Okay.
Suggest siya 7 minutes daw.
Yeah. Dito. We want the coastal road.
Ang todo, no? Papasok tayo
It's
doon.
okay. Actually, anyway, when you go to the other side, when you go to Miyagi, we'll go to the other side naman, the coastal road. So we're finishing the coastal road this side.
Madaanan natin yan.
Kasi yesterday, the first day, we went to the other side of the coastal road. Then we crossed. So this time, we're finishing this side of the north, south, the west side of the coastal road facing
Straight ahead. Okay. Ano to dito? Marker? Uy,
green.
green again.
Lawson again. We're supposed to go here last night but we made the wrong